Welcome back to Tech Solutions. In this quick guide, we're boosting your Zorin OS 18 Pro performance by installing the Liquorix kernel. Liquorix is specially tuned for desktop users and gamers, making your system feel smoother and more responsive, especially under heavy load. If you edit videos, play games, or just want a snappier Linux experience, this upgrade is worth a try. We start by opening the terminal and making sure our system is fully up to date. Once everything is refreshed, we make sure curl is installed so we can pull the Liquorix installer directly from their official site. After that, we run the one-step installer script provided by Liquorix. It automatically adds the repository, imports the security key, and installs the optimized kernel version along with the needed headers. No complicated manual setup, it takes care of everything for us. When installation completes, a reboot is all it takes for Zorin to switch over to the new kernel. After restarting, we can verify the change in the terminal, and if the kernel version includes the Liquorix name, then success! Your system is now running with better responsiveness and improved performance tuning. You should notice smoother multitasking and more stable performance when your PC is under pressure. If for any reason you want to roll back in the future, Zorin OS keeps the old kernel available in the boot menu, so you're always safe to experiment. But most users stick with Liquorix because the difference is noticeable. That's it, a simple performance upgrade that takes only a few minutes. If you want more optimization tips for Zorin OS, especially for gaming and content creation, stick around. This is Tech Solutions, helping you make your Linux experience better every day.